We in the building. Man, you take that small shirt off. No, good and well that ain't the 4X you're supposed to be wearing.
Yeah, but where you see the belly? But I can't say about you.
That's okay. Hey. I've been to the gym in a minute.
I ain't been in the gym in 4 months.
One of us be that pie diet then. All right. You just want to be in the shade. I am convinced. There he is.
Hey, hold on.
God bless you. You too, sir. Lot of.
Where are you going? The store.
Busier today. Busier today. Cars all the way to the curb. Busier. God was good. What's going on, Bubba Bunch? Some guy dropped your name the other day at the Thursday group. I didn't know you knew him. I think his name is Michael. His son plays basketball. He says, yeah, Dwayne Bigelow, that's my guy. Yeah. You assaulting that ice?
It was mean to him.
I see. That's a high commodity in this kind of weather. Got the showers here. Oh, washing dryers over there too. You're at the barber shop, so what you want me to tell you?
Good morning, Amy. There's not a chair to be had.
Oh, you know what? I grabbed that one and